Hey, here's the big red 20-ton bottle jack. This is hydraulic. The top will screw and unscrew. This makes setup so easy. Here I am jacking up an old broken garage door. With the 20-ton capacity, this made light work of that. When it's time to let the jack back down, just take your handle. There's a knob on the front, and you can kind of control what speed you let this down. As you can see, this is lowering the garage door nice and easy. I definitely don't want to slam it down. It's got a nice handle on the front that makes pulling the jack out super easy. I also use this jack to jack up and level out my porch. While doing so, the jack held up solid, nothing leaked. It's very sturdy and seems to be very well built. This jack is very versatile. It probably would do really well jacking up a car as well. Overall, I'm impressed with the durability, the ease of use, and how much weight this thing can lift with how small it is.